Hello guys, how are you today? Look, this is what I want to show you. This is what I want to show you. The case that my brother is done. This is it, guys. It's not yet the final look, since I'm still waiting, to get a few more scenes so that we can buy the logs here to look here. But so far, so good. Look, I'm loving this. I don't want to lie. I'm loving this with all my heart. With all my heart, I'm loving this. Thank you so much, my brother. I know you watch this video because you're always watching my videos. Thank you so much, Mkomakeda. Guys, if you are watching my video for the first time, please also go and subscribe to my brother's YouTube channel in appreciation, guys, of what he has done for me. So this is a rabbit cage. We got rabbit gifts from my Facebook family, our brother Shoton. I know there are many Shotons on YouTube, so they want to know it's you. But when it's the right time, I'll show you guys that my brother, is overseas. He saw my video one day when I was saying that I like rabbits and goats, and then he said, "Yo, you know what, my sister, I'm going to give you 3 rabbits and 2 goats." So I'm over the moon. And then this is the first story. I want to give my birds cabbage. I always give them vegetables, so I'm giving them this cabbage. As for this hen, guys, she is the mastermind of eating eggs in the Faura. So you know what? I'm just tired of her. Today we're going to feast on her. She's our meal today. I'm going to start preparing now. Rodrana. Noda kubikwa roa in time. So I just want to show you guys how I call my birds, okay? This is how they know that it's now time to eat. That's Thelma there. I'm going to ask you to hold the camera for me. Thelma! You're me to battery camera, man. What is it? See? Thank you, Thelma. Hey, Thelma, my jumuga. Hey, man, that's game. Thelma, it's a guys, I get over my tamba, na Thelma. Majumu. Thanks, Thelma. Guys, please take Thelma for me. So, now I'm giving them. No, it's been days since I didn't give them vegetables, so I just said it today to take a portion of the cabbage that is there in the house already. And that's the one I'm giving them. Okay. So, another story, guys, that I want to tell you. Another story, guys, that is going on. Lion is going. Lion is with a new family now. Lion is with a new family now, and Lion will be leaving us today. There's a brother. So you know what happened, guys? I like dogs. I know I like dogs. So I remember I had only Fox, the black one, and then we went to Mkomakeda's house in Waterfalls, and then Mkomakeda got us Danger. I loved 2 of them also. They're both females. And then after some time, Mkomakeda went and said, "You know what, Sister V, I got you another dog. You also need a male dog, to secure your home. This one is very cheeky, so I decided to buy it for you." Mkomakeda bought it for me. And then he stayed for about 2 weeks. And then now, when his money was finished, he now said, no, Lion, we should get Lion a new family. And then Komakeda is going to buy already for Lion. So Lion, that you guys needed to know about this. Guys, please go and appreciate Komakeda for me for the chicken, for the rabbit cage. I am very happy, and the only way you can help me thank Komakeda, guys, is by subscribing to his YouTube channel. Okay, please. Another thing, guys. I'm scared, Zeran. What are you going to do? There is another pandemic coming. This is pandemic number 2. Guys, it's now hot. And these beds are here because they don't have space. Yo, crisis number 2. So, I'm just asking this guy so that maybe you can advise me. Do you think it's a good idea for us now, Komakeda, to take these chicks to the cage?
To the cage? What about during the night? Even if daytime.
What about at night?
At night, you can bring them in.
No, we're talking about where they're going to stay.
You can put them in that room.
In the fauran, that main fauran?
Yes.
But they can't share food. These ones are still on special food.
You lock them. There's a big room inside there. You lock them, you adjust your things there.
Where Mkomake?
How many are supposed to say such a number?
No, we want all that big fauran for only these ones.
So get up for those ones. Maura kuza kuombera akamda kuti mushikano chamakabata munotonzera chamakabata. Saka we don't know, guys, it's a bit tricky, this issue. Because Papa is one of the three.
Ende tikadzisanganisa zvibude bozedza kuda chikafu chakawandisa, especially matoki. Daidzanziri huku chete, at least. But pane matoki.
Toganura matoki.
Tomeso?
Tunoisa tinoganura pesa kana kustorumu. Apo tovhara apo zvaka idea ambotaurwa. Because mashoma. Nokuti kana matoki ari kuseni, toenda kudai mafenzi ekuganura kuti matoki anenge ari kuseparate.
Huku dziri kwadzo.
Apana chinomborema, andibarawo mapo. Tinongoti nemusedzega, tikwanisa kudesigna totadza kuzviita. Huku dzomwenda kwadzo zvichi.
Kwadzo dzese.
Kungodzamu.
So, dzakura. Guys, dzakura huku idzi. Ende kuti dzinzi dzinogara mbaka. Zvichabuda. And azvichatona kids because they are grown. Taigirwa matamba maoneka.
Mazhumu. Mang'ono mazhumu.
Mazhumu.
Ekukoshacho.
Mazhumu.
Mang'ono. Nateo.
Mazhumu.
Andongodya bharuda wakanyatso.
Mang'ono ndo mazhumu here. Pagire chirumu.
Alright.
Ngono ninge sina tuma dobi wetu.
Mama.
Anonaka manje.
Ndatoteo mandini yasokhala. Haiwe. Pemna ndakaona achipanya damba achitare kukanda pasi. Avane ndiye mukanya. Kona kwa marodaro. Haiwe.
Ndigeze ndikuza mundi. Ndipewo kanumboika. Hazvinoda wakaguta.
Ndiri. Kwesikafundi wakaguta.
Aya ndomedza mbodza.
Nemai. Mucharutsa.
Aya makamba.
Acha panomedzwa mozi.
Anotsenga. Haingomuni.
Inototsengwa yese kutotsengwa yese.
Inotsenga. Hainonyanya omarara zvototi ungatenzi yakaomarara.
Inonaka here zvekutsengwa yese. Zvetona seko.
Sometimes, but inozoitisa ukuku chete.
Tsenga ndikuita ukuku masina ungatsenga. Ndikwenda kuona moto iyo.
Yaita
ndava sodya mazai. Ndaneta nayo teuma, ndaneta nayo.
izwa mazai. Ipise.
Taipika muromo. Nobva chara kudai su. Ndironza mazai. Kana panyi nobva yapesa nemuromo.
Idapiswa zvigunwe nemuromo.
Zvakapita zvipere, guys, let me show you. Tome, go to shop mona. Mwakanga kufasha Thank you. Kuzodya mudzi matamba. Kuzodya samwana. Mauka. Iki restaurant ngozi restaurant. Dongera skenda kule nayo. Bungo takagara. Rochaka round, road barrel. Takagara. Bungo tenderera. Rodzugaro yerume ukiyo kai.
Saka simangaisunga. Mangaisunga.
Ndakaisunga makumbo. Kwachakutonga. So guys, matamba. Ukiyaona moto isho. Tupi. Kwenda msoro pekeje. Kwenda msoro pe Icho. Yakanaka kana. Wachina desa urakanaka. Fresca maluco na segunda. Olha. Ei. É Luiz.
Olha dó, vai. Asadani maki. İşte cevasıyla.
Vas a lanzar então. Nha tudo. Yo la ifonga no fonga chizarwa. Bato, dora sambrego. Eish, ndakaona kusempura.
Ndondogeza tudo.
Acho malai.
Aiwa, my time.
Magoni. Farisa kusiku. Mabrila. 1, 2, 3. Murashono kuno ndifana ngeri mumbo. 4. Iro itoki iri.
Akarukona. I1.
I2 ni aka. Tokunozonorona sei. Toki ni ako kapamino. Urikuona? Kamsora aka. Ndopa unoona napo kuti toki. Kandi upfumi wedu hatinawo. Itu diki diki tuori kuona kuti hatina mazuva tikachochonywa netoki utu. Takachochonywa netoki. Tose tutikitiki tuku twauri kuona kuti. Tuku. Takaipa pane huku dzakasanganisa mazai. Saka dzaigara chirura mazai chisemura mazai chitasei. So rikangotora mazai acho ese resera toki rikurarira. Tobva tadziburidza. Izvo zvakutanga ukandira.
Project cha. Kazi kana dzazonyasokura tomboti dzakura dzose dzaenda kutengeswa.
Chinotengeswa machonge chisi.
Kwezi nyama.
Machonge. Mabrela.
Idzodzi dzimuti marodhani. Hey.
Nyama nemari.
Tinodyira pano. Everyday chingoita inonzi.
Kanike akakaniziro kana sati kakutongogona kudya akakutodya kudai so. Pane kamwe kandirotora nhasi kwako takatora nhasi ako.
Kari kuoneka.
And then akakaniziro takakanhonga akaniziro katsukwa netuka. Uzatazoti huku yachuchu. Ari kuchonywa everyday pari kuda vana. Pari kuda 1 or 2.
Kwakura towaite. Mabrera. Ndizona katokati kwakafundira.
Kwakurisa.
Haiti madiki pane uchikoro kwedera.
Choko imeta project. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much also for the support you are giving me and my brother. I'm very excited because since we started doing this rabbit cage, you guys have been giving him jobs. So far, ane kwadziko kwatogadzira kuenda vari kuendesa lion vari kubva vanomezha anonzi chi vati vafanira unogadzira vane imwe yakadai sevafanira unogadzira paziko vafanira kuti kuenda kubetrees nekubhulawayo mabasa esiwo anenge achimbomuka all because of your support guys, because you believe in us so much guys. So we'll also make sure we will not disappoint you. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye. Look. Bye.